Thank you.
Jain sir, Pankaj Khanna. Just a small. Soldiers are deprived of snow glasses, food, and requisite intake that they really need. Is that a way towards a stronger India? Just want you to highlight something.
Talking about snow goggles, you see, snow goggles, if there was a deficiency of snow goggles, you would be having a large number of blind men in the army. But we have none. None that have been blinded because of snow blindness. So while we do agree that when we talk of not having the numbers, these are not having the numbers for reserves. We are supposed to maintain reserves. So what we have done is, because we were trying to balance our budget and we were looking at ensuring that we get our ammunition and weapon systems, we cut down on reserves. So I would dare say, yes, we have cut down on reserves, but to meet the requirements of every individual soldier who needs snow goggles, he has been provided. Otherwise, you would have had snow blindness cases, which there are none. So I don't think we need to get concerned. But as far as reserves going low, yes, they have gone low in some manner because we shifted priority to something else. We shifted priority on procurement of ammunition, latest weaponry that we needed, and some of the better equipment, including bulletproof jackets, helmets, night vision devices, looking at enabling our tank formations, making them capable of fighting 24/7, day and night. So we've shifted some priorities and we've been able to get better equipment by doing away with some of the reserves stocks of these equipment, clothing and goggles and things like that. But it is not that the individual soldier has in any way been affected.